Hi, my name is David Raymond, CyberRange Director, and I'm here to introduce our upcoming weekly workshop series. CyberRange weekly workshops are back and better than ever with a reboot focused initially on capture the flag activities. Join us for these 20 to 30-minute sessions as we explore CTFs and how to best use our cloud CTF platform with your students. We'll go on to talk about different types of CTF challenges and how to solve them. We'll even talk about creating your own challenges. Later, we'll explore other cybersecurity topics to help teachers integrate them into the classroom. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and ready to tackle the cyber world head on. All sessions will be recorded and added to the large collection of workshops already hosted on our YouTube channel. Be sure to check them out.